Hi guys and welcome back to It's Feather Trading Time. And in this video, I am gonna teach you how to do eBirding. So we are going to do eBirding and I will show you how to do it. So let's start and I am going to show you some random birds in the eBirding website. So let's start. And before we get started, And before we get started, please make sure that you have to click on the like button, and if you don't like the video, click on the dislike button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you have to click on the bell icon so that you have to get more updates and notifications from my new videos. So let's get started. So now it is time to go to Microsoft Edge and open the eBirding website. ebird.org is the website what we have to open. Now you see, discover a new world of birding. Wow, nice bird. You can see its photo. It looks like an eagle actually. You can see only the eyes looks like an eagle. But the beak is not hooked. You see it looks like a vulture or something. It looks like a duck. So now we are going to see more birds now. Explore. Now we have to click on the explore. Now you see there is the two sections as you see. This side is for explore species and this side is for explore regions. So now I'm going to search the bird's name. Red headed now red headed barbet. Let's see which will come now. Yes, I got it. Wow, look at that bird what I am showing. This is the red headed barbet, and you can see the wings and the tail. You see it's a mojito green color and only the head is red color, you see. And now I'll show you which one is a male and which one is a female. So this one is a female and this one is a immature, then this one is a male. But now I am going to show you the other birds. Let's not waste time. Let's go on, change species. Now I will, but before that I will show you where the bird is found. You see, the bird is found in Ecuador, uh, Colombia, Venezuela, Costa Rica, Panama. Then it's found in other places. It's found in Brazil, capitals of Brazil. I mean the place in Brazil like Tijuca, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Panama, Medellin and Costa Rica. But mostly found in Brazil at Tijuca. But now it is actually found at Tijuca in Brazil. And now I am going to just go to the other side bird. Next bird, I'll click on surprise me. And now, oh, wow, wow, look at this. Wow, look, the white-breasted wood swallow. Look at this. It is a very nice bird. You can see this part of the bird is gray, but only the white part, the breasted part is white color. It's least concern as you see. Now I show you its range map. It's found in Indonesia. It's found in Indonesia. Now I will have to go to the other. Now we have to go to the other bird. Sorry, white. White-cheeked pintail. Wow, nice. Wow, nice. You can look how rare is this bird. And you can see this white-cheeked pintail. It is more rare. You can see this part here is white, but the rest all is brown and black. And now I have to go to the change species. Green-headed oriole. Look at this. The green-headed oriole. Look at the... Yeah, this is the green-headed oriole. Look at the bird. It is a little bit olive green color. Yeah, this is the green-headed oriole. You can see, I'll just show you which one is a male, which one is a female. This is the immature. This is the adult. Immature and adult, male and female also are there. Now I have to go to the range map. It's least concern actually, this bird. Now I'll show you its range map. It was found in Zambia, Malawi, Tanzania. It's found in all these places. Kenya, only a little bit in Kenya it's found. Now I have to go here. Yeah, now I have to show more special things, more special birds. Oops. I have to go here to the change species. White. It seems white-necked crow. Look at it. Oh, wow. But they are saying it's a white-necked crow, but this bird is black. But it has a white neck actually. It has a white neck, but it's actually a black bird. You see, it is vulnerable. And now I have to go to... Now I have to just go to the... So now I'm gonna go to the bird. Blue winged teal. Look at this. Oh, this is the blue winged teal. It's a least concern. I find you its range map. It's found only in North America, not in any other places except North America. And now I have to just show you what other birds I can... Oops, sorry. I have to just show you. Oh, a booted eagle. Let me show you. Oh, wow.
Wow, it is amazing.
It's a booted eagle. So, wow, amazing. It is a booted eagle, you can see. I show you. Which one is this? I show you. This is the one what I was showing. This is the light morph. This is the dark morph. These both are the dark morph. Now I have to just show you. This bird is least concern. See, they're found only in Europe and Africa mostly, but not in Asia. Only a little bit in Asia, but not that much in Asia. So now wait. Now I'll show you other birds. Now let me type. Now let me show you. Indian cormorant. Let me show you. Wow! Look at that cormorant. It is looking nice, but it is a rare bird. You see its least concern. Let me show you its range map. It's found in India only, India and Thailand, not in any other places. So now I am going to go to change species. Now I am selecting which bird to select. Helmeted guinea fowl. Let me search. Wow! Look at that. Wow, nice. Look at the helmeted guinea fowl. It is a black bird with white spots. And you see, look at that breast. Look at the head of it. It is blue, red, and lavender color. Now let me go to its range map. It's found in Africa only, not anywhere else. Now let me go to the other birds. Now I'm thinking of a bird which will be found in India. Then I can show you. Indian swiftlet. Look at it. Indian swiftlet. It's a nice bird. Now let's show you its range. In Bangalore, Mumbai, and Sri Lanka, this bird is found. Secretary bird. You can see this bird is like an eagle. It has a hooked beak, but it is endangered, already endangered. Okay, it's found in Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, and Tanzania, and Kenya, and Ethiopia. It's found in these places. Now let me show an Indian bird. Oops, sorry, I clicked on the tab by mistake. Great Indian bustard. Let's see. Oh, already endangered. You see, this is the great Indian bustard. And you see, this bird is critically endangered. But let me show you its range map. You see, in India only it's found. Indian paradise flycatcher. Wow! You can see the head is like bulbul, but look at the tail feather. It's very large. You can see that, and it is rare. You see, it's least concern. But now let me go to its range map. In India only it's found. Now let me click on surprise me. Hooded tinamo. This is the rare bird. What I was showing you now. And it is very hard to see anywhere. And now I go here. In the oops, God. Indian nightjar. Here. Nice! Awesome! You can see that. Let me show you its range map. Only in India. So, we hope you like the channel, and please like it and share it with your friends, relatives, family, and with your friends and neighbors. So please share this with your friends, relatives, family and neighbors. So thanks for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.